Welcome to Bio 201, Human Anatomy and Physiology course at Pima Community College. If you have landed at this site, this tells me that you are aware of how to navigate in D2L and enter your course. So again, welcome to the new course that's going to begin. It's a 16-week course. I wanted to take some time and help you navigate the course and make you familiarize with the content of the course. Perhaps you've already checked on the navigation of the course and you find it useful, but let's take a minute and get familiar with it. So once you're in the course and you hit content, you will notice that on the side you have all the different modules that we will be doing. My instructor information is given up here. You can read a little bit more about me in the discussion information or the discussion forum. Most importantly for you is to make familiar with the course course content, and this would be our course, and you can see that the course outline talks to you about the different modules that we will be doing and the different lessons based on that. Let's go back to the content. Another thing I wanted to show you was the course schedule. This is a very important page for you to understand and the expectation of this class, and when items are due. It's very, very essential that you don't miss any of these due dates. Each week is given up here, and when it starts, when it ends. Notice you've got it all the way through week 16. I would suggest strongly either make a copy of this or print it. However you want to do it, pay very attention to the deadlines. All deadlines for us are usually each Wednesday. Notice that the drop deadline is Thursday, January 27th, and the withdrawal is April 7th. This course begins on January 13th. You can always go into the course calendar from here too, and that will also tell you when different tasks are due. So let's see. We're going to begin this course with an introduction to ANP, which is going to be some content that you perhaps are familiar with if you've taken a biology 156 or 160 course. So this is going to be a refresher course. We'll talk about the anatomy and physiology, the terminology of that. A very important concept is homeostasis, and we'll get to talk about homeostasis at different times during the course. A lot of vocabulary in this course, in this first module, and mainly it's a refresher and foundation for the upcoming units. We have 4 main units to cover in this course: integumentary system, the skeletal system, which we will break it down, and then you have the muscular system, and then we have at the end the nervous system. So all of these courses, all of the topics are very interconnected, and sometimes when we're discussing one topic, we may touch onto another topic, and it will be given to you. Let me check on myself. Okay, so one of the important things in this course that you will find are some easy points, and those are like your little buffer to help you get your maximum points towards a better grade. And the one of them is discussion reading. So when you get to the discussion, you will notice that each discussion has almost 3 parts. There's a part A, part B, and a part C. And make sure you understand each discussion part and how to get into it. So I'm just going to go ahead and give you the first discussion board. Notice this discussion board has 3 parts. The first part is you're going to talk about yourself, introduce yourself to the class. It should be at least 5 to 7 sentences, or a paragraph, or you can do a video like I did, however you want to do it. Part B is going to be responding to the study skills that I have started. And then part C has then two parts. One part is you are going to initiate a question to the instructor, and the second part is an answering to a sentence or two from another post from your peers or from me. So make sure you read this very carefully. There is a rubric that you should look at the rubric and understand how it's graded. The D2L has a process in which it tells me on the statistics how many posts that you have read. For example, in this particular forum, you have to read at least 15 posts during the discussion window. Sometimes later on, you will see that you have to read like 50 posts or 100 posts. Make sure you do that, because those are simple, easy points. All you're doing is opening up the post and reading the post. It actually will tell me if you read the post or you have just skipped through it. Excuse me. So those are easy points. Excuse me. There's another easy points that you can earn, and those are, you will notice at different discussions, I'll be asking you to share some information that you've already done in an assignment. So that's pretty much copy and paste. And those are two easy points that I do not want you to miss. Many times I get students requesting me at the very end for extra credit points, and honestly, there's no extra credit points in this course. You should be able to gain points on these topics. Other than that, you will have assignments, you will have quizzes to take, you will have exams. Unless you have disability, there's going to be no change on the time or the length of the exam. Do not request me for extension on exams, because on basis of assessment, it's very important that all Bio 201 courses follow the same grading criteria and rubric that is set up by the department. I'm trying to look at my notes to see if I missed anything to talk to you about. Not really. Again, welcome to this course, and there's going to be a lot of content, and I guess get busy and get familiar with the syllabus and the course schedule. And I do want to point out that each week there will be update announcements on what is expected for the week and what is coming up. I also will do my best to be sending you a quick list email each week with a list of items that are required for that week. So again, welcome to the course, and we are all in this together. I wish you the best of luck and a successful semester.